Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. If you log on to a website and your browser shows that your connection is not private error, the browser is trying to warn you to stay off the website. In that case, the browser has run a check on the SSL Secure Socket Layer certificate and found a problem with it. The SSL could have expired or might not have been installed at all. In some case, the problem could be because of the browser and not the website. And sometimes the reason is your DNS server. Now I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private error in Google Chrome browser. Open your Google Chrome, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on History. Now click on Clear Browser Data. Click on Advanced. Click on All Time. And now check everything here. And now click on Clear Data. Close Google Chrome browser. Now click on Search, type Control Panel, open Control Panel. In View By, click on drop down and click on large icon. Now go to Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Now click on your Wi-Fi adapter. If you use Wi-Fi or if you use Ethernet, you need to open Ethernet adapter. Okay, I am using Wi-Fi adapter. That's why I need to open Wi-Fi adapter. Double click on it. Now click on Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP4, and click on Properties. Now click on Use the following DNS server addresses. Click on here, and you can use Google DNS server IP address, that is 8.8.8.8, and alternative DNS as 8.8.4.4. Okay. Now click on OK. Now click Close and close again. Close File Explorer. If you require, now you can restart your computer. After restarting your computer, hope your problem has been solved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.